It's difficult to speak about one specific area. They have very good players. They have very good foreigners. They didn't have a very good season in the last, in the 24-25, and now they signed new coach, 15 new players. They didn't start. They didn't play. Tomorrow is the first official game for them. Difficult to find images from Azora, but we know some players. They are playing in the national team, not only the goalkeeper, but in the, I don't know why in the last game the coach of the national team didn't call some of them, because usually they are always in the list. They have very good players. They have 3 players from Jordania, now is a top team in Asia. They have one guy from Cameroon in half pitch. They have very good team. Nigeria striker. They are very good team. But I think that we will have our chances, obviously.